U.S. cattle inventory is dropping. It marks the lowest level in 75 years. The U.S. Department of Agriculture reported 86.2 million cattle and calves at the start of this year, and that signals beef prices may stay high after setting records just last year.
And this is down almost 0.5% from last year, when the herd also hit its lowest level since 1951.
10 News reporter Alana Mutnick joins us to explain what it means for local farmers, ranchers, and your pocketbook.
Yeah, John Robin, I spoke with a multi-generational cattle farmer in Knoxville who's been in the business for decades. His family has raised cattle since the 1800s and has seen dramatic cycles come and go. He says his stock and access to land has decreased over the years, which is why beef supplies are tight and prices are sky high.
Hey, babies, come out. Come on.
That's Byron Williams calling his herd.
We have a land grant farm that's been in the family since 1801. We've been raising beef as long as I've been around.
But over the years, raising cattle has looked a little different.
Cattle farmers aren't incentivized to maintain replacements for older cows that age out.
It's not just fewer cows, it's less land.
Because of the lack of the land, we have probably gone down 15–20% from what we had 10 years ago.
This isn't the case for just Williams, it's a trend all across the state.
We actually have on average 300 acres per day being lost in the state of Tennessee.
UT agriculture professor Charlie Martinez attributes some of that to housing and commercial development. However, he says a decrease in demand and herd rebuilding in the state could lead to lower beef prices.
So 2025 was a year where we saw record high prices throughout the supply chain, all the way from the cow-calf sector, all the way to the retail price that us as consumers were paying.
But he doesn't see that happening, at least anytime soon.
Supply will stay steady to lower, which in the short run, from a supply perspective and a price perspective, will keep prices elevated, if not higher than what we saw last year.
Williams has seen that increase firsthand.
We have to keep those prices up to stay in business. It's a thing I try to explain to everybody. I don't want to go up on price, but it's something I have to do if I want to keep the business going.
Williams says it's not just beef that's getting more expensive, it's the cost of farming. Fertilizer costs, feed costs, and labor costs. Martinez says the current replacement prices and market landscape restricts rebuilding, and that is growing cattle numbers again after they've dropped. That makes it especially hard now for farmers to enter a herd rebuilding phase. John Robin.
Alana Mutnick with that perspective tonight.